अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। आज हम क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस के ऊपर बात करेंगे। पाकिस्तान का ग्लोबल कार्बन एमिशन 1% से भी कम है, लेकिन फिर भी पाकिस्तान दुनिया का 5th मोस्ट क्लाइमेट वल्नरेबल कंट्री है। 2022 के फ्लड्स में पाकिस्तान को एक ही सीज़न में $40 बिलियन का नुकसान उठाना पड़ा। सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि पाकिस्तान के फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम ने इस पूरे सूरत हाल में क्या इक़दाम उठाए। It started back in 2015 when the State Bank of Pakistan joined a global sustainable banking network and ran a full survey across the entire banking sector. The findings highlighted a critical gap. Not one bank had a standard way to assess environmental risk. Not one. So they built something from scratch. In 2017, they introduced Green Banking Guidelines, Pakistan's first ever framework for sustainable banking. It was a good start, but it was mostly conceptual and mostly voluntary, and banks were still making up their own rules on what counted as green. Then came the real turning point. नवंबर 2022 में स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान ने एनवायरमेंटल एंड सोशल रिस्क मैनेजमेंट मैनुअल इशू किया। फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम एनवायरमेंटल रिस्क वॉजंट जस्ट अ फीलिंग। एनवायरमेंटल रिस्क को क्वांटिफाई करना, नंबर्स में एक्सप्रेस करना ईजी हो गया। अंडर दिस मैनुअल एन ऑटो जनरेटिंग रेटिंग सिस्टम वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, चेकलिस्ट built into every loan process, making the system quantitative, standardized and enforceable. The structure became much closer to IFC performance standards and multilateral development bank practices. ये पाकिस्तान के लिए एक मेजर प्रोफेशनलाइजेशन स्टेप था। And then in December 2025, State Bank of Pakistan introduced Pakistan Green Taxonomy. Green Taxonomy बेसिकली होता क्या है? ये एक साइंस बेस्ड क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम है जो आपको क्लियरली बताता है कि कौन सी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी या इन्वेस्टमेंट ग्रीन है और इट्स अ रेड फ्लैग. It basically prevents banks from claiming projects as green without meeting strict standards. So no more greenwashing and no more vague promises. At the same time, climate stress testing guidelines were introduced, where banks can now actually model what a climate disaster does to their profile. The targeted sectors under this guideline includes energy, manufacturing, transportation, construction, ICT, water and waste management, agriculture, and livestock. Right now in 2026, 6 banks have been selected to lead the pilot project of implementing Pakistan Green Taxonomy over a 6-month timeline. These banks include Habib Bank Limited, United Bank Limited, Bank Al Habib Limited, the Bank of Punjab, National Bank of Pakistan, and Mizan Bank Limited. These banks will use climate stress testing. They will do the data mapping their existing loan portfolios against the PGT categories, will identify the gap, and refine and build assessment templates and web-based navigation tool before rolling out to every bank in the country. Pakistan's green financing story is still being written, and the decisions made in the next 6 months will shape where billions of rupees flow. At AIG Navigators, we track exactly these shifts, policy, risk, and capital moving in real time. Follow us to stay ahead of the curve.